Welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to find list of message alerts and change message notification sound on phone REALME GT8 Pro. First of all, go to the settings. Here sound and vibration, ringtone, classic. A bit below we can find alert tones. Now let's come with all possible options. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press like button below the video. Goodbye.